Hello CS scholars, how are you all? Okay, so students, today we are going to see about two life cycles. Yes, in the previous lecture we have studied about what is life cycle, and today we are going to see. Okay, so let us begin. So, the first life cycle that we are going to study is life cycle of a butterfly. Yes. So, let us begin. Okay. A butterfly lays eggs. Okay. So, what is the mode of reproduction? By laying eggs. Now, a caterpillar or larva hatches out of the eggs. So, when the egg is laid, after some time, the egg will break, and what is going to come out of the egg is known as caterpillar or larva. Here you can see the image of the caterpillar. Okay, a caterpillar looks very different from an adult butterfly. So here in the figure you can see, this is the image of a caterpillar and this is the image of a butterfly. So you can see both of them look very different. So it undergoes several changes. Who undergoes? A caterpillar undergoes several changes before it become a butterfly. So this process is called metamorphosis. What is the meaning of metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a series of changes which some animals undergo to change from a young animal to a adult. Okay, so as in the image you can see the structure of both the caterpillar and the butterfly is different. So there is a journey which a caterpillar will go through. Several changes will take place in the body of a caterpillar to become a butterfly. And this changes which a caterpillar will undergo, that whole process is known as metamorphosis. Okay, now a butterfly lays eggs and caterpillar hatches out of these eggs. These caterpillars actively feed on leaves. Okay, so what the caterpillar eats, feed on leaves means they are going to eat the leaves on which they are living. Now, the caterpillar shades its skin to become a pulp, that is pupa. Means the caterpillar shades its skin to become a pupa. So the pupa then transforms and becomes an adult butterfly. The process of shading skin is called mounting. Okay, so let us understand one by one. First of all, a butterfly will lay eggs. From that eggs, what will come out? Caterpillar. Yes. And what the caterpillar is going to eat? Leaves. Okay. When the caterpillar will grow, what will happen? It will shade its skin. Means the skin of the caterpillar will start moving. So it will convert into pupa. So this pupa will then convert into a adult butterfly. So the process of shading the skin, the process is known as mounting. So now let us understand the whole process with the help of a figure. Okay, so first we have a butterfly. The butterfly lays egg on the leaves, and then what will come out of the egg? A caterpillar. A caterpillar will shed its skin. That process is known as mounting, and then it will convert into pupa, and this pupa will then convert into the butterfly again. So this process will go on. Butterfly will lay eggs, it will convert into caterpillar, caterpillar will convert into pupa, and then into a butterfly. So this whole cycle will continue. Okay, let us revise one last time. Butterfly will lay eggs. That eggs, what will come out of the egg? Caterpillar. Caterpillar will shed the skin and it will convert into pupa, and then it will again convert into butterfly. Okay, I hope you all understood. Now, one more life cycle we are going to study is life cycle of a frog. Okay, let us start. Frogs also lay eggs to reproduce. Same as butterfly lays eggs, frog also lays eggs. A female frog lays eggs in ponds, in large clusters called spans. These eggs hatches to become tadpoles. So let us see in the figure. Which frog? Female frog will lay eggs. In clusters means in a group, bunch. Now what will come out from these eggs? Tadpoles. Yes, you can see in the figure, from the eggs what will come out? Tadpoles, which look very different from the adult frog. Yes, you can see in the picture, the frog's picture and the tadpole, they both look very different from each other. Then tadpoles look like fish and breathe through gills. Yes, we know that fishes breathe through gills. In the same way, tadpoles also breathe with the help of gills. They also have a tail and swim in the water. Yes, you can see that they are having a tail. In the figure you can see they are having tail. So with the help of the tail they will swim. They undergo metamorphosis to grow into adult frogs. What was metamorphosis? The changes taking place in the animal's body is to become an adult is known as metamorphosis. So the tadpole will undergo changes and then it will convert into an adult frog. Okay, let us see one more time. What happens is female frog will lay eggs. From the eggs what will come out? Tadpoles. The tadpoles look very different from the adult frog, and the tadpole breathe with the help of gills and they can swim, and they also have tail. So they will undergo metamorphosis, means changes in the body of tadpole will take place and it will convert into an adult frog. Okay, I hope you all understood. So we have studied two cycles. First was life cycle of a butterfly and the second is life cycle of a frog. Okay students, I hope you all understood both the cycles. Okay, till then we will meet in the next lecture. Okay, take care and bye bye.